Overthinking, we all do it. What if this goes wrong? What will people think? And why did they say that? Our mind keeps running even when we want peace. But here's the good news. You can train your mind to slow down. You can reduce overthinking just by 3 steps. Step 1. Focus on now. Most overthinking comes from living in the past or future. I should have done this. What if that happens? But the only real power you have in this moment. Take a deep breath. Ask yourself, what can I control right now? Just that, nothing else. Step 2. Don't believe every thought. कुछ लोग सोच कर खुद ही डर बना लेते हैं. Next time you overthink, pause and ask, is this real or just my fear thinking? Step 3. Thinking too much. Do something, anything, write, walk, call someone. Overthinking freezes you. Action frees you. सोचना नहीं, करना शुरू करो. Your mind is a powerful tool, but you must be its master. Don't its slave. Talk to your mind like a friend. Say, relax, I have got this. मुझे अपने ऊपर पूरा भरोसा है. Because when you take control your thoughts stop controlling you. Overthinking won't solve your problem, but calm action will.